Okay,
Boom, boom, boom,
YouTube,
boom, boom.
welcome. Bear with me for just a second. I need to put the live stream now up on the site.
Okay.
All right, that is done. Okay, we're live on YouTube. Got my MT4 open.
Perfect.
Got my TradeStation open. I put my pending at 3336.5 right now, but I thought I would check with you and see where we're putting that.
I actually put at 33.37,
Okay.
so we're right about the same spot.
Yeah.
I could move it
I'll
down. You said 36 point what?
0.5, but I'll put it to 37, whatever.
No, I would actually move it down. So let me move mine down.
Okay.
33,
36.5.
36.50.
Yeah.
33, 37, 36.50. Cool.
Hopefully we're going up tonight. That would be nice,
Yeah.
but I don't know. Let's see. Right now we have price sitting, let me we're sitting right above the WPP. No, I'm sorry, right above the DM2
Mhm.
and below the DPP. I did not move the point of control. I need to get the fixed range volume profile changed for today. Let's see.
ChatGPT, man, it's a pain in the ass sometimes.
What's that?
ChatGPT, when I'm asking to create pictures or whatever, or
Yeah.
certain things, it'll have like it'll spell psychology Psypscho. It'll be an EHO. You
Oh, you
go,
mean like in the
yeah,
image,
can
right?
you correct that? It'll correct it and then change something else. And then if you say leave everything exactly like it is, but correct this, it'll still change
Oh,
something else. I'm
oh,
like,
so what you can do to fix that
mhm,
is when it's showing you the image, click on the image to make the image bigger in your chat GPT,
okay.
and then it should give you the option to suggest changes to the image,
Oh,
right?
really?
When you don't click on the image and do that, it like starts over and creates a new image from scratch. But when you click on the image and make it bigger, and then it gives you something like suggest edits, and then you suggest the edit, that's how it remembers to create the same thing except for the edits that you're putting in.
Okay, gotcha.
But yeah, I hear you. It took me a while to figure that out. Okay, let's see here. I'm going to put this up here. Okay. And let me pull up the actual briefing. Let's go over that. It is July 17, Asia session. Okay. All right, let's see. Gold ticked up to 3341.7 as Asia opened following today's US session, which saw a stronger dollar, flat PPI, and political clarity from Trump on Powell. Markets shrugged and gold drifted, but began to claw back as Asia took over. Okay. PPI was flat, reinforcing cooling inflation expectations, tactical support for gold. Jobless claims fell and retail sales and retail sales beat the expectations, boosting risk sentiment and the dollar today. Okay, so it was risk on. Interesting. So gold went up, even though that happened. But those moves skimmed off gold's top, not its structure. Okay. Middle East tensions eased while global stocks and oil drifted. Background calm, not chaos. Okay. Cooling inflation gives gold a nudge. Safe haven gold gets structure. No U.S. data tonight, but global market tone favors caution ahead of tomorrow's earnings and U.S. CPI. CPI tomorrow, right? Okay, so range is from 38 to 46. Where are we now? We're at 41.
Okay.
So it says above 47.50. Follow through breakout if it has momentum can go up to 33.55 or 60. That looks like up to the DPP, or possibly up to the Sunday open, which is around the WM3. Downside 33.38. We get through 33.38, which is a couple pips down from where we are. Then we could slide down to 33.28 or 33.30, which isn't much, but we have to get through the WPP and the MPP after the DM2 to even do that. So it looks like there's a better chance of things going up than coming down. Retail is 57% short right now. All right, got that.
All right. We have any news tomorrow?
Yeah, we have CPI.
Okay.
Let's see, that is. No, wait a minute. Why is ChatGPT is hallucinating again?
What's it saying?
It said we had CPI tomorrow, but we don't have CPI tomorrow. We have consumer sentiment, which is an orange folder at 10. But otherwise, we don't have any any red folders tomorrow.
Right.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's starting to come down. It's been a weird month.
It has. It's been.
It's right up on this resistance on the 5-minute and the 15-minute, and it looks like the market wants to come down. Thought it was going up.
Yeah. Well, all right. We'll rehedge.
Uh,
Oh, maybe we trade it down.
this fucker did it again. It keeps spelling the words wrong. So what do I do? What do you say I need to do?
So click on the image so that it gets bigger,
But okay. All right.
and then a new area where you can chat. It says like suggest edits or something like that.
I don't see that. Let me see. Hold on. So if I click on the image, so just enlarge the image.
Yeah, like okay, and then right below where it enlarged the image,
Hmm.
it says describe what you want to add, remove, or
Yeah.
replace. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Oh no, let's see what I did. We have 1 minute before the 8 o'clock candle.
Mhm.
There it is.
I ain't gonna do nothing.
No.
I don't know how to fix this issue. I've been putting some thought to why we're not moving forward on these props. And the only thing I can think of that we're doing differently is A, we're trading futures, of course. But
Yeah.
B, we're using these small time frames. I've never traded off of 5 second and 10-second time frames. But what else can you trade off of? You know what I mean? With futures.
Yeah. Yeah. I think so too. I think unless you're doing much smaller lot sizes.
Right. Come on, man. It did it again. All right, it's back.
I mean, I really like the 10-second and the 5-second for entries, even
Hmm.
on spot. Even on spot, I like that.
Right.
But yeah, I mean that's you're still looking at the 1 minute and the 5 minute to figure out, what your range is and where you're gonna, where you want to approximately where you want to exit, right?
Right. Well, at least it kind of flipped around a little bit. Looked like it wants to go back up, but that 5 minute chart is keeping it tight.
So how old is Hercules' son?
He's in his college years, so he's a young guy, you
Hmm.
know.
Yeah.
2 months ago, we were doing much better at night.
Yes. Yep.
You know what I
It's
mean?
it's summer. I mean, that has to be what it
Yeah,
is
it's
because
gotta be. Yeah,
we were getting much better movements in the evening.
yeah,
Um, yeah, next summer if we're when we're doing this, we base depending on what July is like, we might just take the evenings off,
yeah.
during July and August or something. But I remember even last August in the evenings were not bad.
Right.
You can hear the music, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just waiting for something to happen.
Yep. like it wants to come down here. It's hitting the support on the 1 minute, but on the 5 and the 15 minute, it's got some room to go.
Yeah.
What do you think? You see it's been on the 10-second here, you see it's been coming down and it got a little bit of momentum there just a minute ago. It's sitting right at this swing low. And
I don't think it figured out where it wants what it wants to do yet. I mean,
no,
the wrinkle looks a little like it wants to come down.
it's coming down now. Look at the 10-second.
Yeah.
No,
You mean for a
no,
trade?
no. Yeah, for a trade, I mean.
No, I don't think we should trade yet.
Okay.
Still think it's gonna go back up. The wrinkle originally started pointing down, now it's kind of stopped. You know what I mean? It kind of
Yeah.
stopped in its tracks. And look at the 5 second now.
Yeah.
You see what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing pushing it down. Like, what are the Asians doing tonight? Get on it. Make something happen, damn it.
I'm gonna go get my water bottle. We'll be back.
Mhm.
Oh wait, no, it's here. Never mind. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that's
I
what
was
we're waiting on.
I was right.
Yeah, that's what we like to say. A couple of nice momentum candles. But did it do anything?
Just the 10-second there and the
I'm
five
saying,
second.
did it actually move any distance?
Let's see. Moved 1 pip. It's gonna keep coming.
It's on a resistance on the 1 minute though. Coming up on
Yeah,
a resistance on the 5 minute.
yeah,
And we're almost on a swing low on the 1 minute on the trading view too.
yeah. Yep. I got to stop taking, you know, B setups or whatever, like, but I got to, yeah.
What's that?
Well, like it's sitting there on the 1 minute Hakanashi, there's that big blue box that it's sitting on right now, that big support zone.
Right.
And, normally I wouldn't take that trade, period, just because that's
Okay.
what it's doing. But there have been a couple times where you've taken the trade because you feel like it has the volume to get through it.
Right.
And I guess I just need to develop my intuition more to understand, for now I just don't take those trades. But
Right.
in the future maybe I will when I develop more intuition about how it behaves
Yeah.
around
I
those.
mean, that's a smart thing though. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? That's a
yeah,
smart thing not to just jump on the trade. If it also has to do with what time of day we're talking about too.
yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
yeah,
Think about that for a minute, because if it's the right time of day, this the momentum can push it through you know,
yeah.
that area. don't want to give us nothing tonight.
Nope. Nope.
It's trying its best. Give us absolutely nothing. Now we're going right back up again. This is slow trading.
Yep.
One of those nights.
Yep. One of those nights where you get no money, but you don't lose any money either.
That's the good part. Yeah.
We protected our capital.
I think what I'm going to start tomorrow on one of my accounts, I'm going to lower the lot size and trade off the 5 minute
Yeah.
just to see what happens.
All right. Maybe I'll do that with my Top Step account.
Yeah, because something's not working. You know what I mean? It's like we haven't found our winning strategy here yet. So I don't normally like jump from strategy to strategy, but we haven't gotten a winning strategy yet here.
Yeah. I want to say I feel like I'm close,
And
but
I am too. The day that I remember the computer screwed up, I was three
yeah,
hundred
you
dollars.
were.
I was there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it can be done. We know it can be done.
Yeah.
You know, but that was a $50,000 account. It wasn't. It was
The
three
hundred
thousand
thousand.
dollars. It wasn't $6,000. You know what I
Right.
mean?
Right. Um, Hang on. What does it just say here? Trump issues statement on disgusting and filthy rag, the Wall Street Journal's Epstein hoax story.
He keeps trying his best.
Yeah.
You know what I mean, to put that thing to bed, but people, they want to know. His
You
own
know,
people turning on him now.
yeah, what I think is crazy is even, his own people are turning on him, but not because they think he's in it, but because they still want to expose all the Democrats.
Right. And he's the one that's in it.
Yeah.
That's the funny part.
Yeah.
He was his guy. They were buddies,
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
all through and thin, the
Yeah.
two of those guys.
Um, yeah. So in regards to the prop firm futures, the futures prop firm challenge, I think that if I will just limit my losses,
Hmm.
I would have passed already.
Okay.
But um, and so that's what I'm trying to do right now is make sure that my losses are small, $100, $150, and just try to rack up those wins because I win 70-75% of the trades. And
Right.
so I just need to make sure that the losses are small. And I think that that's my winning strategy. I think that's it.
Just coming out quicker.
Yeah. Yep. Not letting, not even unless market structure is really tight, like use market structure. But if market structure isn't tight, just as soon as it invalidates the move, I'm out. And otherwise just try to get into the trade, as the move is already confirmed and happening.
Hmm.
Problem is the market has been so crappy this month that it doesn't give us as many good moves as
Right.
it normally does.
As it normally does.
And
So,
so all the way through June, we were doing better because the market was just giving it to us. And now in July, it just isn't.
and it's making you second guess your ability.
Yep. Yep.
You know what I
It's,
mean?
yeah, exactly. Yeah, I felt the market was tapering off toward the end of May, but even still in June, it was much better than now. This is true dog days of summer trading.
Hmm.
When I first moved to Spain, I lived in this small town to the northeast of Barcelona.
Hmm.
And when I first moved there, it was 1986, and the town was about 3,000 people. And it has grown a lot. It's about 20,000 people now. Um, and all of the people who run the town are people I went to school with now and friends of mine, like the mayor, and yeah, it's kind of fun to go there and you know the town has gotten, you know, because it's grown so much, it's gotten a level of importance that it didn't used to have, and a
Right.
level of political power that it didn't used to have. So it's kind of fun to know everybody there who's running the place.
It's funny that you mention that because we went back in, I grew up in East Orange, New Jersey.
Uh-huh.
And we had a group of friends, and one guy's name was Ted. He was the dumb as a doorknob when I say this, right?
Remember, we're on YouTube. Not that anybody's
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
hear
let me
this.
not say it then. It's too late. It's too late now. You know, it's it's out there. He going, that motherfucker. He told the city and the fucking name. All right, sorry, buddy.
We have no viewers, so you're in the clear. You're in the clear.
Oh man, this shit's funny. Yeah, you've got to remind me, man. I get in trouble real quick. In the book, do you put the acknowledgments in the back or the front?
Back.
The back, all right. Thought so. I guess after 9, we might as well call it a day because this don't look like it wants to do anything for us, man.
Yep. Yep. Unless at 9 it suddenly grows a pair.
Hmm.
Says, let's go to the rodeo. I have $237 of swap fees on my buy trade on spot.
Yeah, I got the same. Mine is actually a whole lot more than that. So
Oh,
we're
oh
gonna
right,
have
because
to.
you got a bigger lot
Yeah,
size.
I'm bigger lot size, so I got to wait for it to go back up to a nice number to get out of that.
Yeah,
Or we make a killing on the way back up and just
right,
offset it and call it a day. You know what I mean?
right. Yeah, you're getting a little movement up to the upside.
Yeah, I'm not happy
Got
that it's taking this long to get out of that trade. It shouldn't.
30 seconds for the 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it was a dud of a night. But that's
Yep,
what we're
look at
in it
that.
for.
That was a fake out there.
Yep. Try to get everybody to jump in on it.
Yeah.
take all their money.
There was a time I would have done that. That time was yesterday.
What is going on in my Word document, man?
That is, looks like it wants to go after all. Look at this. It's going. It wants us to trade this.
Yeah, but look what's right above it. You know what I mean?
No.
Huh?
What's right above it?
Resistance. Look on the 5-minute.
5 minute Hakanashi?
5-minute Haganashi, yeah.
I don't have anything right above it. I got something up at 43.
You don't have a resistance on your 5-minute Haganashi?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, let
I
me
have
take
it. It's up at 33, 43, 45 or so.
let me show you mine. I don't know why we're not getting the same thing. Check the thing I just sent you.
Oh,
You don't have
well,
that?
nope.
Wow.
Nope. Look at this.
I'm dying to see which one of the charts are right. Is mine right or yours? You know what I
If
mean?
yeah, if mine is right, it will stall, around here, but the resistance really starts at 33, 43.45.
I think mine was right. Look at the if you look at the ones, do you have the what the hell?
Yeah,
Do you have the
mine
one
looks right.
second candle up?
Yeah, no, I have the 5 second.
Put the 1 second on real quick.
Okay.
Look what it did.
It came down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it went like we would have been out of that trade. I was only going to write it up when it topped out. It would have given us like 200 some bucks, I think, on futures.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think he's deaded out on us.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right,
We'll
you on tomorrow?
call it a night. Yep, I'll see you at 7:30ish.
7:30, man. You got it.
All right, have a good one.
Peace, you too.
All right, YouTube, that is it for this session. We placed no trades. That happens sometimes. See you tomorrow morning at 7:30.